Hi, in this movie you will learn how to use tools available in the Huaris software. These are cursors, these are probes, and also the zoom-in lens. Hello. In this movie, I will explain Tools tab in the Huaris software for laser beam characterization. These tools are essentially devoted to manual measurements. So let me freeze the measurement for the moment, and I'd like to start with vertical cursor C1. As you can see, when I switched that button on, two lines appeared. And essentially what we are measuring here is the distance between these two lines. So for example, if you wanted to know the distance between these two portions of the beam, you just drag these two lines by clicking and dragging the mouse in the proper position, and the value being the distance between these lines is specified here in the top window and here also in the 2D view. In similar fashion, you can use a horizontal cursor if you would like to measure something in this direction. And also you have option to make freehand measurements. So it means that you can measure the distance between any two arbitrary points. To do that, you just click on the end of the cursor of the line. You drag it wherever you want, and then you do the same thing with the other end, and the software will calculate the distance between them. Additionally, you have option that we named probe. Probe is a tool that allows you to pick the intensity in a certain position, in a spot, and the value, if you click in a selected place, the value will be displayed here. Just one more remark. This is 127 of arbitrary units out of maximum 256, which comes from the bit resolution of the detector. And also we are displaying how much in percentage is that of the total dynamic range of the detector. Additionally, there is a zoom-in lens tool. This allows you to basically magnify the selected area, the area pointed by the mouse cursor, and this magnification is made up to maximum resolution of the detector. Thank you very much for watching this movie, and I hope to see you watching the following ones.